So the Stradman just went and got himself a Ferrari 458 Spider.
There it is, boys, the Ferrari 458 Spider.
And it looks as if he's going to Liberty Walk it.
I think I'm gonna Liberty Walk the 458, I said it.
So I thought, why don't we help the Stradman out here to visualize his Ferrari 458 in Photoshop and sketched up what the build might look like, because I have a hunch of what he could possibly want to do with it. There are a few recurring themes amongst his previous cars that give one or two clues as to what style we're going for, specifically regarding the colors and the wheels. So, me personally, I'm a huge fan of the Liberty Walk, and I'm a huge fan of the Ferrari 458, which you know if you watch my previous videos. And if I were to cut up a Ferrari 458 to have it be wide body, the only kit that I would consider would be the Liberty Walk 458 kit. I haven't seen it on a Spider though, so if he decides to make this, it's going to be a pretty cool build. Now, there are two ways we can do this. There is the easy way, which would be just take an existing 458 Italia Liberty Walk, pump it into Photoshop, desaturate the whole image, and just paint in some purple in there. But what's the fun in making it the easy way? There's no challenge in doing that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make it the hard way, because that's the challenge, and that's where I feel like I might bump into some problems that I have to solve. And what that means is I'm going to learn new things. So what I'm going to do is going to try and find two photos of the 458. One where it has the Liberty Walk kit on it, and one completely stock photo of a 458 Spider. And then I'm going to Frankenstein both of them. So I'm going to take parts from the Liberty Walk, which I'm doing right here, and just get that onto the original stock photo of the 458. So it's going to be a bit of copy paste, and there is a lot to think about here. We need to have the same kind of lighting in both the kit that we're importing from another picture onto the 458, and I'm gonna desaturate the whole thing so we can see the values, that the values are correct. And what I mean by that is some of the grays of the kit, for example, it can't be lighter or darker than the rest of the body of the car, because that means that we have the values off. So by desaturating the whole car, that gives us a better understanding of having the values correct when we can see that the shading is about the same on the kit and the Ferrari itself, if that makes sense. And the biggest challenge here is, of course, to get everything correct in perspective and also in proportions, because these are not the same picture. It's not the exact same angle from in between the two pictures, so we need to make some adjustments to the kit to fit properly on the stock photo 458. So for those of you who have absolutely no idea who I'm talking about here, I'm talking about the Stradman, and he has one of the largest, I would say one of the largest probably automotive channels on YouTube, and I really enjoy his content. Not only the builds for me, that's not what I really admire the most about his videos, it's more the work ethic, because as a YouTuber myself, I know what it takes to show up and put the work in consistently over years, and he's done this in such a great way and with so much energy and positivity that it's whenever I see one of his videos, it's like it's almost infectious. I want to get creating myself. So if you haven't checked out his channel, I'm gonna link it down below, and go check out this build too, because I hope he's going to put the Liberty Walk kit on the 458 Spider, and I'm pretty sure at some point, even though it's only for a day, it's probably going to end up being some shade of purple. Anyway, this was more of a fun, relaxed Sunday video. Not really any design analysis, just a fun video for myself to have some fun in Photoshop and show Rosie how to Liberty Walk a 458 in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making this. If you did, hit the like button, it really means a lot to me, and of course, the YouTube algorithm. What that does, when you hit the like button, it gives YouTube a sense that this video, people are liking it, so it's gonna be shown to more people, and that's just fantastic. I'm TheSketchMonkey, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Take care.